Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my January Ipsy unbagging video. This month is a good one, you guys. So if you guys don't know, I am an Ipsy ambassador, which means they send me their Glam Bag and their Glam Bag Plus every month so I can unbag it and share it with you guys and show you some of the products that you might get in your box or your bags, right? Not, I mean, it comes in a box, whatever. You get what I'm trying to say. Keep in mind that if you subscribe to these boxes or bags yourself, you actually get to select some of these products. So you can either let them pick them all for you and it's a big surprise, or you get to pick a couple of them. I was also scrolling through like the selections on their website to see like what could possibly be in each of the bags, and there's some really good stuff this month, you guys. So let's just stop blabbing and hop into it. We're gonna start with the original Glam Bag. If you guys are unfamiliar, this is $12 a month and you get deluxe size samples of tons of different beauty products. Sometimes it's brands you've heard of before, sometimes it's brands you haven't heard of before. It's just kind of a toss-up, and historically they've always had really good things. So the theme this year, or the theme not this year, this month, is Dream. So this little bag is so cute. It's kind of like a pool toy consistency, but it says Dream all over it. And let's just hop in. So the first product is by Youth to the People. I have had a couple of products by them before. I know they're sold at Sephora. This is their Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. Oh, it's a facial oil. I love facial oils. Oh my God, this is the cutest little, it's a glass bottle. It's the cutest little thing. So this is supposed to, it just says it's supposed to hydrate and deliver a velvety, soft, healthy glow. Excellent on freshly cleansed skin or as a primer under your makeup. Let's see what it smells like. Doesn't really have a smell, but I do love oils. They're really nice to mix in if you're wearing like a liquid foundation. Okay, next thing is by the brand Stila. I've definitely had my share of Stila products over the years. This is their Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color, where's the color? Patina. I have actually had this color before. I don't know that I currently have it in my collection, but this has been a staple in and out of my collection. Okay, the next thing in my Glam Bag is the Omba. Never heard of this brand before. Drama Bomb, what is this? Oh, it's a mascara. Drama Bomb Mascara. It's really interesting. It reminds me of like a fish. It looks like it has scales on it. Supposed to be a volumizing mascara, huge wand. It looks a lot like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand. I do like little deluxe size sample mascaras like this. I feel like they last probably a good month or so. Next thing I have in here is by Origins. I have definitely tried some Origins things before. This is their retexturizing mask with rose clay. I like anything that has rose in it, so this just says, it doesn't say what it's supposed to do. I'm assuming it retexturizes since it's called a retexturizing mask. And this is a good size sample too. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. So you could easily get maybe 2 uses out of this. Okay, last thing in my Glam Bag is by the brand Kinship. I have never heard of this brand or tried it before. This is their Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Facial Cleanser. Bare face equals happy place. Cute. Non-foaming cleanser that purifies, hydrates, and softens skin without stripping. Okay. Oh, that's the cutest little thing. This would be good to take traveling with you, or if you have an overnight bag, you're going to spend the night with your friend or your boyfriend or whatever. This is the cutest little, like the best size for something like that. Yeah, it definitely has like a papaya. It's a nice fresh scent to it. The full-size bottle of this, it's on the packaging. It looks really cool. It has a pump on it. I feel like a lot of my facial cleansers don't have pumps. So that just, I don't know, it's cute pink too. So it looks like some of the other stuff you could possibly get in your bag. There's a Wander Beauty highlighter, a Ciate London illuminating blush. Ooh, I wish I would have gotten that. Lots of really cute blushes by SL Miss Glam. She has the cutest brushes, you guys. So there's a bunch of those you could possibly get. Lots of highlighters, a Violet Voss individual shadow, which is really nice. Now the Glam Bag Plus usually has full-size products in it. It's a little bit more expensive. It's $25 a month, but you do get 5 full-size products in it. So some of the stuff you could possibly get in your Glam Bag Plus, while I'm looking at it here on my phone, there's some good stuff, you guys. Huda Beauty palette, which we actually got in our Glam Bag Plus, was it last month or the month before last? A Wander Beauty micro brow pencil. That's pretty cool. You got lots of palettes. There's a Laura Makeup Labs palette, a Douce, is that how you say it, palette, lots of mascaras, full-size mascaras, some Tarte products, some Sugar Rush products, Half Caked, which is a brand I've heard is really good. I'm pretty dang excited to see what's in my bag. Let's go ahead and dig in. This bag is really cute too. I like the drawstrings on this one. So the first thing in here is by the brand, something just fell out of my bag. La Rousse, I think. We got some brushes from them, was it like 2 bags ago? And they're really nice quality brushes, so I have a feeling that's what's in here too, just maybe a different brush set. And they're quite pricey as well, so you're getting a good deal for your money. Oh, these are cute. They have blue handles. I want to say the last one had gray handles. Was it the same brush set though? I feel like possibly it was. What did I do with those brushes? I think I put them in my travel bag. Maybe they're different, but these are nice, like thick, good quality like handles. I just feel like really sturdy brushes, and they're nice and soft. So it looks like you got a couple of eye brushes, a contour brush, maybe like an under eye brush and a highlighter brush. So I think these are different brushes from the last one that we got. Okay, next thing I'll get what fell out of my bag onto the floor. This is by the brand Cella. I think that's how you say it. Maybe it's Cella, C-E-L-A. This is their Smoothing Hand and Body Butter. Okay, I could definitely use some body butter right now. My hands have been so dry, you guys. I know it's the weather changing because it's, you know, winter time, but my hands have been like dying. Has a nice scent to it. It smells like a very light, almost like an aloe scent to it, but otherwise it just kind of smells like a nice clean lotion. Okay, next thing in my bag is a palette by Pixie. So Pixie by Petra, this is her blush quad. In the color Sugar Blossom. I actually have not tried a whole lot of Pixie products, so I'm pretty excited to dig my toes in them. Look at how cute this is. It's like a cute little green, nice packaging, like it's thick and heavy feeling. And then how cute. I don't know how well you can see, but it has like the word Pixie embossed in the pans itself. So there's a nice bright blush. You got a couple of highlighters and a bronzer. I know they sell Pixie at Target, and I've been this close to purchasing it a few times, but they're kind of on that price range cusp of like a little bit more expensive than your typical drugstore makeup, but cheaper than something you would find at like Sephora. So I always talk myself out of it because I'm like, oh no, I'm gonna go buy, you know, CoverGirl or, you know, something like that, Revlon, because it's just like a little bit more expensive, but, you know, not outrageous. So I'm pretty excited to finally be able to try something. I got 2 more things in here, and they both are really good things. So the first one is by Wander Beauty. This is their Lip Retreat Oil. And is there a color? Probably not. Typically oils don't have much color to them. So let's see, while I'm opening this, it says it's a luxurious lip loving treatment oil with the shine of a gloss. I love lip oils. I have a couple by YSL. Those do have color to them, and I actually really like them a ton. Oh, it has a doe foot. I like that. Really no scent. I don't know why, but I was expecting a scent, probably because my YSL ones have a very strong scent. But the doe foot is really cool. It has like a hole in it. I like that. That way it collects the product and there's not a whole bunch that goes on your lips all at once. Okay, the last thing in my bag is by CoverFX. This is their Shimmer Veil in the color Soleil. I did have one of these. In fact, I might still have it. I might have decluttered it because it was getting kind of old. In the color, was it Solstice? It was the more like shimmery, kind of silvery one. And the packaging was different. So I wonder if they, wait, is this eyeshadow? Oh, okay. No, the one I had was the dropper. So this is not the dropper. This is something different. Is it an eyeshadow? What is this? It's a really pretty color. It's like rose gold. Is it an eyeshadow? I'm so confused. It's just a shimmer veil. So I guess you could use it as an eyeshadow right there. It's definitely a rose gold color. So I don't know that that would look so great as a highlighter on me, but it would make a really pretty eyeshadow. I mean, I don't see why you can't use it as an eyeshadow. Does it specifically say? Oh, okay. It's a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids. but can be used anywhere you want. That is gonna be a beautiful eyeshadow. Okay guys, well those are the products that I got in my January Ipsy and Ipsy Plus. I hope that you guys enjoy watching this. This is like one of my favorite videos to film every single month because I just get so excited. Like it's like Christmas every single month. So I hope that you guys enjoy. If you're interested in subscribing, I will link everything you need to know down below. And that's it for now. I'll talk to you next time. Mwah.